LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus Vivobook X421EAY-K413EA laptop. Thank you, ma'am Claraval, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Choosing to have LCD replacement and deep cleaning performed on a laptop is a smart and practical decision that ensures both optimal functionality and long-term durability. A damaged or malfunctioning LCD screen can significantly affect the laptop's usability, causing issues such as flickering, dead pixels, discoloration, cracks, or even complete display failure. Replacing the LCD with a new high-quality screen restores clear, vibrant visuals, allowing for an improved user experience, whether for work, gaming, entertainment, or general everyday use. A professional deep cleaning service involves carefully disassembling the laptop, moving dust from internal components, and ensuring proper airflow within the system. Technicians may also reapply thermal paste to the processor and GPU, which further improves heat dissipation and prevents thermal throttling. This ensures that the laptop operates smoothly, remains stable under heavy workloads, and provide consistent performance over time. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and deep cleaning. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.